such as assembly, packaging, and even quality control. They're faster, more precise, and they don't tire. Now, shift your gaze to the healthcare industry. Robots are assisting surgeons with complex procedures, reducing the margin of error and improving patient outcomes. But this integration of robotics into the workforce isn't without its challenges. For one, there's the question of job displacement. As robots take on more tasks, what happens to the human workers they replace? Additionally, there's the task of managing these advanced technologies. It requires a new set of skills and a workforce ready and able to adapt. Indeed, robotics has revolutionized the way we work, but what does this mean for our future? The future of work with robotics is not a distant reality, but a present occurrence. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, robotics promises to reshape the workplace in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. Imagine robots taking on repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to engage in more creative and complex problem-solving roles. This could lead to a workplace where humans and robots coexist, complementing each other's strengths. However, this shift may also bring challenges as the nature of jobs change and certain roles become obsolete. The key is to adapt and evolve, to keep learning, and to embrace the opportunities this new era offers. Yet, we must also be vigilant. The rise of robotics should not lead to a displacement of the human workforce, but should aim to enhance it. In the end, the future of work with robotics is a fascinating yet complex issue that we must navigate with both excitement and caution. In conclusion, we've journeyed through the fascinating evolution of robotics, from its humble beginnings to its current influential role in the workplace. We've explored the potential future where robotics and human labor coexist in harmony, transforming work as we know it. As we move forward, we must embrace the opportunities that robotics presents while also addressing its challenges. The future of work is here, and it's robotic.